Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have the basics ready, logged into Kite, funds settled, and a stock picked. First, confirm whether you want delivery, CNC, or intraday, MIS, because that choice controls order types and margins. Next, open the stock page, check live price action, volume, and a quick support level. Once done, select Buy, choose Quantity, and then pick the order type, Limit, Market, SL, or SLM, so you can attach the appropriate stop loss in the next step. Now place the buy with a stop loss. Choose SL if you want a limit order to place after trigger, or SLM if you prefer the stop to convert into a market order when hit. For intraday trades, using a bracket order lets you set both target and stop loss and houses an automatic exit. CNC delivery doesn't support BO. Carefully enter the trigger level slightly beyond support, set the stop loss or limit, confirm quantity and margin, and then submit the order to Kite. After placement, watch the Orders and Positions tabs to ensure execution and to see how the stop loss behaves. If the market gaps and your SLM triggers but faces slippage, convert to market immediately to exit. This avoids larger losses, though you may accept price slippage. If you need persistent conditional sells or buys, use GTT for limit triggers. However, GTT won't replace SL orders for immediate intraday protection. Finally, adjust stop loss only with a clear risk plan, not on emotion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.